Hello everyone. In this class, we will learn the five kingdom classification system which was proposed by Robert H. Whittaker in 1969. So he classified all the organisms into a five kingdom which were namely Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. And this classification was done on the basis of some criteria which were cell structure, that is, whether the cells were prokaryotic or eukaryotic, and the thallus organization, or we can say the body organization, whether the body was developed into unicellular form or into multicellular form, and this multicellular form were either organized either into organ or into organ system, and their mode of reproduction and phylogenetic relationship, which is also called as evolutionary relationship, where the similarity of DNA, RNA and protein sequences are studied. So on the basis of these four criteria, R.H. Whittaker had classified the living organisms into five kingdoms. So let us see some features of these five kingdoms. So these are the characters, and the five kingdoms are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. So let us first study the cell type. So Monera are prokaryotic, while Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia all are eukaryotic. So out of these five kingdoms, only Monera is prokaryotic, and most of the bacteria, all the bacteria are included in this Monera group. Next is nuclear membrane, whether the nucleus has membrane or it is nucleoid. So since in case of Monera, they are prokaryotic, the nuclear membrane is absent here. And in the rest of the four kingdom, the nuclear membrane is present. And next is cell wall. In Monera, cell wall is present, but they are non-cellulosic. They are made of polysaccharide and amino acid contents. And in case of Protista, they are present in some organisms, while in fungus, cell wall is present, but they are also not made of cellulose, but they are made up of chitin. And in case of Plantae, the cell wall is present and made up of cellulose, while in case of animals, the cell wall is absent. Next is body organization. In case of Monera, they are cellular, means they are unicellular, and Protista are also unicellular, and fungi are multicellular, but they are of loose tissue, means the multicellular is not organized into organ. And in case of Plantae, tissue is present or they may be in organ. And in case of Animalia, tissue, organ and organ system is developed in the body organization. And last one is their mode of nutrition. So they may be autotrophic or they may be heterotrophic. Autotrophic means the organisms which prepare their own food from inorganic components. So they may be chemosynthetic or photosynthetic. In case of chemosynthetic, they will prepare their food from chemical substance, but in case of photosynthetic, they will prepare food from the sunlight. And if they are heterotrophic, they may be either saprophytes or they may be parasites. Then, in case of Protista, they are also autotrophic and they will be photosynthetic and not chemosynthetic, and they may be heterotrophic. And in case of fungi, they are only heterotrophic. Fungi cannot prepare their own food because they lack chlorophyll. So they are either saprophytic or parasitic. And plantae are autotrophic because chlorophyll is present and they prepare their own food with the help of sunlight. And last is for Animalia, where they show heterotrophic mode of nutrition and they may be either holozoic, saprophytic, parasitic, etc.